Everyone keeps asking, which martial art wins every fight? Here's the truth no one wants to say. There is no such thing. Because real fights aren't fair. They don't start when you're ready. They don't happen one-on-one in a cage or ring. They happen in parking lots, from behind, with weapons, with multiple attackers, when you're tired, distracted, or blindsided. World champions have been dropped. Beginners have survived. And some never seen it coming. So what wins? Not a style. Awareness wins. Positioning wins. Decision-making wins. Conditioning, mindset, and adaptability win. And even then, there are no guarantees. Because the real goal isn't to win every fight. It's to avoid what you can, survive what you can't, and never live in the illusion of invincibility. Because the moment you believe my style beats everything, that's the moment you've already lost.